In this video, we are going to address an issue faced by the disc brake of the Royal Enfield motorcycle. Basically, this is not an issue with the Royal Enfield motorcycle, but generally, whichever motorcycle is having a disc brake will face the same issue. The brake lever is going all the way inside, but it is still not giving enough braking. That is the issue. So, before going into the action, I would like to say something about the components. So the main component of the disc brake is this is the oil chamber, and the little cylindrical portion over here, this is called as the master cylinder. And inside this master cylinder, actually it is a piston cylinder mechanism. So a piston will be there inside the cylinder, which is moving when we pull the brake. This lever will push the piston inside, that will again press the oil in the circuit towards the brake caliper. And that is how the disc brake works actually. Basically, this particular issue happens when the master cylinder kit, means the piston kit inside the master cylinder, so which is popularly called as MC kit. So this issue happens basically when the MC kit goes wrong. So let's check the MC kit first. The brake oil seems dirty, so it has to be replaced with a new one and has to be topped till the maximum level of the reservoir, and also the air bubbles which is stuck inside the line has to be bled out through the banjo bolt down below. As you might have seen, I have replaced the master cylinder kit with a new one, and I have topped the oil reservoir with some fresh brake oil, and I have bled out a few air bubbles. Now the braking is back to its normal.